that y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss none of my videos. So I've already prepped everything. Make sure y'all check out my other videos as well, where I was making my confetti soap, and I also did a mango and shea butter soap. This particular soap that I'm using today, it is oatmeal soap. So I'm gonna do an oatmeal and honey soap, and I'm gonna have ground oatmeal at the on the top. And I also already have mixed my micas. I went on did some brown oxide, and I used a little bit of the Aurora micas. So that's the color that my oatmeal soap is going to be, and I have my raw honey. So only thing I'm going to do now is just cut, and it's going to be vanilla scented. It's cut my soap. So this is not going to be a long video, but I wanted to come to y'all so that I can have content for y'all. So it's always the same thing, just cut the soap. This is really soft soap too. This is what I use, the rolled oats. I just wanted to come to y'all, show y'all this. Okay, so it's finished melting. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and put some grapeseed oil and a little bit of the vegetable glycerin. Putting it in there fast because I don't want this to harden up. And also I'm putting my honey. I hope that y'all can see. Put my honey in there. And I use this stick. It makes it easier to use the stick. And it took about I'll say three intervals. Now I'm putting my brown in there, which is my brown oxide, because I want it to be, you know, a little color. Good, so I'm gonna put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like, yeah. I put a couple of them in. I love vanilla. Make sure to add your vitamin E. I have vitamin E caplets that I'm adding to it to keep it, you know, for the preservative. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do is just sprinkle a little bit on the tops, like the bottom parts. sprayed the tops with alcohol. Now I'm just gonna just let this sit. It usually takes about 4 hours for it to cure. And yeah, well, then we'll have oatmeal soap bars. And you could also use this for when you're doing your grinding of your rolled oats. So I'll come back to y'all when it is complete. So guys, I've taken the soaps out. It's been the next day I let it cure for the whole time because I put the oatmeal in there after, which I shouldn't have, but it still came out really good. As you see, the one that I put on the top is already been covered, but it smells really good. And so here are my oatmeal and honey with vanilla scent soap bar. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure that y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember, keep God first. And until next time, this is Monni with TrubeautyGlamz. Love y'all, Glam'Dollz. Smooches.
It's poppin', it's poppin', it's poppin', it's poppin'.